Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel 3D Create. So is your CREO window also not opening up maximized every time you start up and you have the blank space still on the right side like this and you always have to manually maximize the window? Well, in this video I'll be showing you how to configure this option. So let's come over to File, Options, and let's go down to Configuration Editor. And let's hit the find button and let's type in open window maximized and find this. Let's come down here and hit the yes and add this to our configuration. As you see, it's not still applied, so we have to save it. Let's hit the OK and save it in our config.pro file in our startup directory. And now we can exit out of CREO. And let's restart it again. And as you can see, the window opens up maximized now without having to do it manually. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Else like, share and subscribe for more videos.